Hi! In front of me is Meizu M5s, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings and choose Bluetooth. Then click on the switcher to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to, wait a bit, and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to forget this connection, you can always do that by clicking on this little icon next to the device and choosing Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!